Another one. Another one. Collude. They finna blow my mind. No discounts, full price. Hold on. Oh, this song just came out. Let's go. Da. Wow. Yeah. Their transitions are so like seamless, and it works. So shout out to Collude for that. I like how they transition so well. This is a two-man band, right? Oh, this is featuring Zach from Godhand. Heck yeah. Hold on. I believe this is a two-man band. Yeah. It's finest. For now, I will sell my pee. My voice cracked. I'm sorry. I like how they're getting Texas people involved. People in Texas bands. Huh? What? Forget reality. Prefer the simulation. Oh, hold on, man. Oh. Escaping reality today for tomorrow's great. That's hard. That's hard. Like the bitch drop. Woo. Come on, Collude. Simulation. Forget reality. Prefer the simulation. Undervalued. This song was a roller coaster. They know how to paint a picture. They know how to paint a picture. Yeah, that's a W. Dun dun dun. Where's the like button? Yeah. Transition. Ain't no way y'all doing Zelda. Yeah. Don't make me cry. Yeah. It's just something about that. It's something about any Zelda song that just sends you. Oh, stop it. Hold on. I'm tearing up. Especially like Nocturne Shadow or Gerudo Valley. That's my song. Shout out to Collude. It's your boy, Hardcore Key. Let me know what y'all think. Go stream it.